actually tanong ko rin siya, eh. Since may day job ka and then during the time na, after school care pa lang siya, jumping into to a school and binitawan mo yung day job mo. Meron ka
Yes.
bang meron ka bang I mean, ano yung nag-trigger talaga sa'yo or meron ka bang takot na, "Wala, ile-let go ko na yung day job ko, I'll focus on building the school."
Okay, okay. I think in 2022, if I recall it correctly, we had struggle in finding the right people helping the school, yung teacher nga po. So it is a very difficult situation for us na nagpapalit ng teacher, nahirapan maghanap ng perfect fit for the school nga po kasi mahirap yung
Mm.
laging nagta-transition yung mga teachers naapektuhan yung development ng mga bata. Because it takes time to build yung relationship ng teacher and ng student. Yun nga po, I was mentioned a while ago. So, now, at that point of time, I need to leave my job kasi I need to step in and to manage the business dahil hindi po kami makahanap ng perfect person to manage the center.
So at least nakita mo na yung mga bata pa rin talaga 'no, yung nag-push sa'yo. Kasi I mean, nakita mo yung aside sa nakita mo yung demand is nakita mo talaga ano yung purpose ni KGEM. It's
That's
not because
right.
I'm building business, I'm building the future of the kids, 'di ba?
And it also helped me to understand ano ba yung purpose ko. So dun ko napatunayan na ang purpose ko pala is to nurture individuals, young individuals, and to help them grow and connect the gaps and bridge the gaps for them.